In this video, we'll go through an example of adding shipping to an item. Now, it's important to note that before adding shipping to your items, that you must configure your shipping settings in Features, Sell and Fundraise, Configure Shipping. For this example, we've chosen to use flat rate shipping, which means that the shipping cost showed at checkout is based on the cost of shippable items in the cart versus rated shipping, which uses the weight of shippable items in the cart. Once we've configured our shipping options, next we're going to set up shipping on our item. So we can do that under Features, Sell and Fundraise, Items. And let's use our t-shirt here as an example. Now, it's important to note that shipping is enabled on the individual options on an item. So if we click on our small option here, we'll click on shipping in the left here. And here we can choose our shipping options. So notice that there are three options here. No, this small shirt does not require shipping. Yes, it does require shipping. And yes, it does require shipping, but shipping is free for this item. We will turn this to yes for now. Now, it's important to note that if you're using rated shipping, you'll also need to provide a weight for each item that you enable shipping on. So we've turned this to yes. And now let's enable shipping on our other options. Now we can see here that once shipping is enabled, this little icon shows up next to it to let you know that this is a shippable option. So shipping, and let's change that to yes. And let's enable it here as well. Now that we've enabled that, let's click Save on it. And let's click the URL to view the item. So here we have it, our t-shirt. Now let's choose an option and let's add that to our basket and continue to payment. Now we're going to go through payment here so that we can see what the shipping options are. So we're going to click checkout and let's enter our details. Straight. Now we can see here on the shipping step at checkout, we have three options: standard shipping of $5, express shipping of $12.95, or a free in-store pickup. And we can choose whichever option we'd like. So let's go with our express shipping. And now onto payment, which shows the cost of the cart, the cost of shipping, and the total of that cart. A customer would just need to enter their payment information and click complete payment.